Does what it is supposed to do. Not as intuitive as previous versions. I have been using True Image for over 15 years and it just works. In some of the latest upgrades they changed the GUI and it gave me fits trying to learn it. There may have been a good reason, but I could not find one. Still the only backup cloning software I use. Works great once it's installed, and I do recommend. I had a few problems with installing this on one PC, ironically the newest one that has just gone through a full Windows reset. Downloading the MSI and trying to install through there did two things. One, it apparently scanned my OneDrive for any archive, zip, files, which forced the download of many megs of data I have stored there, old classwork stuff. 2, it failed shortly after starting its DB_scan process. I tried a few things with registry changes to make sure MSIs were not being blocked. Don't know why they would be on a clean non-domain install, but no dice. But I downloaded the web installer and that worked. So if you're having issues, try that. Once installed, I've had no real issues other than some caused by my own doing. In particular, I moved a 9268i in a PC where the backups are stored to a different PCI port. Even though it was still mapped to the same Windows drive letter, the backup failed, unable to find the drive. Simple fix, I just had to remap, but it ended up creating some V2 files of that sequence of backups. In terms of backup speed, it's superb. Much quicker than expected. In terms of restore, I've had a couple issues. The main one is booting to a UEFI recovery stick using their tool. Their UI was unable to find my network drives, and worse, it showed there was no network hardware. But I was able to access the command prompt from there, and ping everything. So I used command line commands to mount the network folder to a local drive, relaunched their X, you'll see it in the command line history, and then was able to restore.